when leaders don't hold their people accountable, a couple things join the fray. Number one, he doesn't realize that that's a business issue. This is not personal. It's not an attack on somebody. Everybody here has to perform their job at the level that we expect them to perform, or they're not going to be here having a job at our company. That's not being mean or nasty. It's how you run a business. So that accountability is a tough one in the first place. The second one are the words that go along with it. Sometimes executives think to hold somebody accountable, I've got to be mean or nasty. No, we don't. In fact, we don't need to be mean or nasty at all. You told me you were going to have that whatever done by such and such a date. You just told me that it's not going to be done. What happened with that issue? What is it that you didn't understand about its importance to the rest of the company to get it done? So I'm not doing a personal attack, but I am going to hold you accountable for doing the things you promised that you were going to get done.